The ZENDURE ZenPods. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the ZenPods by ZENDURE. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a USB-C charging cable and small, medium, large ear tips. I didn't see any user manual. The ZenPods features 6.5 hours of listening time, 22 hours with the case. It takes about 1.25 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB-C for charging, ANC and a transparency feature, and it's IPX5 water resistant. The case has a clamshell design and it's compact and portable. Glossy white finish all around with the logo on the top of the lid. On the back of the case you'll find a USB-C charge port. And inside the case you have the charge status LED. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. Earbuds are held into place by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. You can see the ear indicators etched inside the case. The earbuds have a stem design and a glossy finish all around. The ear markings are on the bottom of the stem. The outer face has a surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, touch control, LED, charging contacts, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback and calls. Cycling through the ANC and transparency feature is a 3-second press. The case comes in at 2.4 by 1.7 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 43 grams and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I was losing my mind, told them I'm fine, wish I was sober. We were just 21, nothing was wrong with our future. But when I'm alone, feel like a stone, nothing can hurt me. I live in a dream, I want to be seen before this thing ate me. They don't know nothing. No, they don't know nothing. I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the ZENDURE ZenPods microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone quality was decent. Other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the ZenPods. They were comfortable and they felt secure. They didn't add a lot of pressure in the ear canals, and the touch controls help in reducing that when navigating. Build-in quality is good. The case has a compact design and they feel durable along with the earbuds. The earbuds have a simple, sleek look. Touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is good, coming in at 6.5 hours and 22 total with the case. I would have liked to seen wireless charging. The ANC feature was underwhelming when activated. I can barely notice the cancellation. Although the transparency feature worked well and picked up the surrounding sounds loud and clear. Now when it comes to sound, I was disappointed. I feel that it's kind of all over the place and not tuned well. The bass is lacking and not tight at all. Mids and highs sound pitchy, and vocals don't sound natural. This leans more on a brighter sound signature. Overall, I feel these missed out on the sounds, and I would have to pass on them. I feel that there are better pairs out there. So that is my review of the ZENDURE ZenPods True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.